Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install ADB and Fastboot drivers in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. And once the best match would appear, go with open and wait until a new window, which is your Google Chrome browser, would appear here in your window. Here you need to search for Android platform tools. Okay. And type it here Android space platform space tools and click on enter the moment you have typed it and proceed with the best match which contains SDK platform tools release notes. Click this link so that you would be able to continue. Here in the results, please scroll down and look for this link where you can download SDK platform tools for Windows. So click this first link, click on it, and you need to scroll down, okay, and you need to check this box. I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions and click on download and wait until it will be starting to download. Okay, so it says here. Once it is being downloaded, you just have to wait until this file folder would appear. Click on it so that you would be redirected to the location where it is being saved or where it is being placed to. So click on it, and here you need to select this file that you have downloaded. Please do a right click, okay, and go with extract all. So click on it and wait until it will be extracted in our Windows, okay? So go with extract, okay? And once it is being done, a new file folder, which is the extracted folder, would appear, which is this platform tools. Double tap to it. And here you need to navigate at the upper center of the screen and you need to copy this path. Control C to copy. And once you have copied it, minimize this window first and close your browser. And here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for advanced system. The moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Go with open to continue and a new window would appear. Where here you need to proceed with environment variables and go with the first box which contains path. Okay, go with edit and you need to go with new and you need to paste the path link that we have just copied. Control V to paste, and once it is being pasted, click on OK and click on OK once again. Once done, close this window and navigate to our next step, which is here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for CMD, and the moment you have typed it, go with Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window as administrator, and please type for ADB and click on enter. The moment you have clicked on it, wait until the procedure would be done, and once it is being done, close this window and restart your computer. So go here to start icon, click this power options icon and click on restart. The moment you have restarted it, there you have that you have just successfully installed the ADB in your Windows or computer. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.